latters. Welcome back to the Bike Lifers. 600 subscribers and counting. I thank you all for supporting the channel, and let's keep it growing. Come on, bruv. Well, I was gonna do that. But yeah, thanks to everyone subscribed, man. It means a lot. Couldn't do this without you. Well, obviously I could, but let's help this channel grow, yeah? I'm on 605 or something like that. I've got a few more months to get the 1,000 subscribers in to get monetized. And I want to get monetized not for the money. Oh, come on, look. Money's money, innit? We all need money. But without that, I can't fund the channel, you know what I mean? I need to help support it. Come up with some good ideas and structure for the channel. I want to be able to go away and do bikes. I want to be able to go away and do bike riding somewhere else. Start up meeting up with other people and groups. Right, what I'd love to do is go abroad and start meeting people, but I'm going to wait until I can wheelie and all that. When I got the hang of my bike and stuff, and wheeling, clutching up and everything like that, I'm going to start getting involved. Flying to other countries and just hiring a bike. Try and meet up with the local bike life people. Oh, I couldn't think of anything better. That would be sick. Be some mad content from all over the world. But yeah, like I say, thanks to everyone subscribed, and let's keep it growing, people. Share, like, comment, whatever. I'll always answer the comments as well, so if you've got anything you want to know, just say it, brother, and if I can answer it, I'll tell you. Always willing to meet new people. I'm here based around Essex, so I can meet up, brother. I don't mind riding places. If you've got an idea, a little collaboration or whatever, if you're a YouTuber yourself, growing, off the bridge it goes. Little fucking Isle of Man thing. Hey, hey. But yeah, collaborations and all that, I'm game. Have to get a DHL lorry in front of me. Nice little back road when there's no one on it. Listen to a pop and bang, baby. Pop, 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 pop. Sounds lovely. I thought it was going to annoy me more than it does, but it's alright. Listen, listen, listen. Listen to this under the bridge, brother. Go neutral then. Let me undo my lid. The mic's in the lid. I swear I see a flame coming out earlier. Sounds fucking naughty. I'm glad I've done it, to be fair. To be honest, I ain't noticed anything on power difference. I don't think it's any different personally, but some people say they open them up, some people say they don't. On the forums it says don't do f***. But yeah, I just like the sound of that, man. It sounds sick. I was just chatting to some boy yesterday. It's like, mate, like, I had to turn my head. Sound is so sick. It's like, swear down, brother, yeah? Alright, alright. I'm just talking shit, brothers. What's down here then? Let's go, I'll tell you what, let's go straight. Little poppers down here. We chuck a left through all the lanes and that. Yeah, back to the conversation. She does sound serious, bruv. I like the sound of her. Still can't beat an R1M, but this sounds lovely, man. Decap, Black Widow decap is like £75. Cheap, brothers. Cheap, mate, cheap. Remus pipe was already on it. I think they're about 4 bill, but you can get the Black Widow pipe. They sound alright. I think they're like 260, so decat and rear silencer. Looking at like 330. Not bad, not bad at all. A little twist through these lanes. I don't know, I've literally been down them once, but we can have a go, can't we? Getting to feel so much more comfortable on it, making me a lot more confident. Just getting out and throwing her about, you know, understanding her. Like that. What I was going to do, I had a man wheelie off it, didn't I? Jumping the gun a bit. There's some places that are still wet. What's going on with the weather though, man? Constantly raining. Literally had to have the bike parked up for a week and a half. Long. Fair though, what's it? 15.5 degrees it says. So we ain't even touching winter yet, man. When all the roads go frosty at that, I ain't getting a bike out there. All the salt on the road, fuck up your bike. Not worth it. Just have to accept we live in shitty England. And that's that. To put the bike away for a couple of months. It is what it is, man. Can't hear myself think, but yeah, I love it. He don't like it, does he? See all the pedal bikers like scrunting their face up like they're on a road, you know what I mean? I pay to be on this road, brother. Stand it when you think you have right away and all them darkies. Even right away, mate. You just think you're on the road. Like, I'm not allowed to be on it. I pay to be on this road, brother. Mind your own business. If you don't like it, get an off-road bike and ride in the woods. Lovely little scenery. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Out there minding my own business, you know what I mean? It's definitely spitting little flames earlier. Where the f***, man? Blackmore, Ingate Stone, Highwood, Rittle. Fuck it, let's carry on going down here. Beggar Hill, Ingate Stone, Blackmore. Let's carry on going down here. Ingate Stone, let's have some of that. 30s and all that. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Hit me up on YouTube. Leave something in the comments if you want a little do a little collaboration, little link up. I ain't even got to be a collaboration. If you want to go for a ride somewhere, let's link up, man. I'm with the Essex Biker meet group, that's alright. Only thing is, when we're riding in big packs, it's always like so many of us trying to keep together. It's like try and keep the speed down. So yeah, if you want to go out on a little blast, no rules apply, one of them ones, let's do it. Like I said, I'm in the Essex area, so hit me up. I'm going to come out in Ingate Stone High Street. These clouds don't look too pretty though. Perfect. How about that? Slip past this one. But I'll be honest with you, I'm glad I didn't get the 1290. I wanted the Super Duke, but I would have been deadly, mate. These are fast enough for the streets, and I ain't clued up enough for one of them. Too much power, I reckon. Even KTM, they said, mate, it's a track bike. But I learnt they're sick. We all know they're fast enough for the road, but we still get what we like, don't we? Enduro flex, haha. Definitely looks like it's going to piss down. We've got one better day, got another good day tomorrow, apparently, weatherman says. I'm going to try and get out tomorrow and make another video what I can. Quick shift on my side, so much better. I'm back through these lanes down here. And I'm going to call it a day, I reckon. Yeah, these last couple of videos is just literally I'm trying to get the feel for the bike, prick, just understand it better. So yeah, sometimes it ain't like mad fun content, but I've got to get used to the bike to make my content, you know what I mean? Raining. Nasty. Yeah. Bullshit weather. That's that, people. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks to everyone supporting, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.